Hey everyone, today we're diving into a trending product called Retina Clear, which has been popping up in ads claiming to use a 7-second eye flow hack to restore vision naturally. But is this supplement really the breakthrough it claims to be, or just another healthy scam? And also, quick disclaimer, this review is based on online research and personal opinion. A lot of you guys are asking me how I do this research so fast. Well, I actually put together a complete guide that shows you my exact process. Links in the description. Retina Clear is marketed as a vision restoring supplement, supposedly using a 7-second eye trick to improve eyesight and prevent eye diseases. The promotional materials are flashy and emotional, often including dramatic testimonials and fear based claims. But here's the reality. There's no scientific evidence backing the so-called iFro hack, and the site hosting routinely lacks transparency, no clear company background, no third-party testing, and no verifiable clinical traits or trials. Red flags include aggressive marketing, over-the-top promises, and a checkout page that feels more like a trap than a trusted purchase. Cybersecurity experts have even linked Retina Clear to a network of misleading health product ads that use clickbait and manipulation to lure in buyers. These sites often sell false hope, not real solution. For the final verdict, Retina Clear is not a trusted or proven solution for vision supplements. While the idea of an easy eye fix sounds tempting, this product appears to be part of a larger deceptive marketing scheme. If you're concerned about your eye health, stick with professional advice from a certified eye care provider. Now, thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a like and share it with someone who needs to hear it. Stay smart, stay safe, and don't let marketing hype cloud your vision.